A simple table laid on a traditional tatami floor is at the heart of the family's communal life. In late 19th century Meiji Japan, a group of samurai. This is not just a memory, it is the silent farewell of an era. In flooded fields under the rising sun, farmers plant rice seedlings by hand. Noble Japanese woman on jinrikisha in the narrow streets. Traditional mother and daughter, quiet but strong, just like the spirit of that time. The year is 1906. Life in rural Japan is shaped by the sweat of the brow. The silence of a female samurai, one of the last traces of a vanishing age. Amid the changing winds of Meiji Japan, a beauty rooted in the past. This young woman with an umbrella represents the elegant yet strong spirit of Meiji Japan. In the silent tea ritual, two women prepare with deliberate elegance.